Hello everyone, welcome to Decorating with Barbara. And if you are here for the first time, thanks for joining me and I hope you stick around and subscribe. Well, today we're going to talk about color. So, the word on the street is some of you guys are tired of neutrals. So, in this video, I wanted to share with you why so many of us like decorating with neutrals. So, number one, a room with a neutral base can last a long time, providing you the opportunity to add color as the trends change. And number two, you also save money because when you invest in your major pieces in neutral colors, you will only spend a small amount changing out a few seasonal accessories. So as you look around this home, you will see a neutral backdrop with a blue accent color. So guys, I have to say, I am a little perplexed as to why you guys say you don't like neutrals. Just add color, whatever your color may be. You can add a little or you can add a lot. It's totally up to you. Okay guys, so we are also going to tour one more home. And this home is also trending in the color blue. But I wanted you guys to see how the blue flows throughout the home. Now they also used a neutral backdrop with their walls and curtains throughout the main area. Look at that wall. Okay, so you want to see some color? Well, here in the office, they used a brighter blue with turquoise, yellow, and a little bit of gold. Okay, so here in the entry, they used a secondary color, yellow, in an oversized ginger jar. Now here in the dining room, they used a very subdued navy and a grayish blue, and then they used a pop of gold in the art and the accessories. So here in this powder room, they used a beautiful art piece, a tiled wall, and then they accented it with a gold mirror. And don't forget to add blue or color to your back hallway areas as well. So in this room, you see a little bit of blue with a pop of yellow and gold. And sometimes you can make a bold statement just using one bold item. They used neutral carpet heading up to the second floor, where you are greeted with a second floor loft, and they used a little bit of turquoise and blue in this room as well. And I love the way they used the nightstand in a bold yellow with just accents of blue. And in the boys' room, they used a navy blue, but they kept it fresh and fun. Okay guys, so next we're going to head over to Homegoods, and I just wanted to share with you a little bit of what they had to offer in color, and I sprinkled in a little bit of neutrals. And then I'm going to share with you, in case you're new, some of the ways in which I used color throughout my home over the past seasons. So I hope this video was helpful, whether you like neutrals or color. And please leave me a comment below. Let me know, are you team neutral or are you team color? So I want to thank you all for watching, and I wish you all have a wonderful weekend. And don't forget to stay to the end and see how I have decorated my home over the past seasons.